Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're diving into SimpleHold, found at simplehold.io, a platform designed for managing your cryptocurrency. SimpleHold aims to provide a user-friendly experience, emphasizing simplicity and security. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting your journey into the world of digital assets, SimpleHold presents itself as an accessible option for storing, sending, and receiving various cryptocurrencies. It's designed to be intuitive, so even those unfamiliar with the intricacies of blockchain technology can navigate the platform with relative ease. One of the key features highlighted by SimpleHold is its non-custodial approach. This means that you, the user, retain full control of your private keys. Unlike exchanges or custodial wallets, SimpleHold doesn't hold your keys, giving you greater autonomy over your funds. This emphasis on security aims to minimize the risk of loss due to platform vulnerabilities or third-party interference. While SimpleHold strives for simplicity, it also supports a wide array of cryptocurrencies. This allows users to diversify their holdings within a single platform, streamlining the management of multiple digital assets. The platform also boasts integration with various decentralized applications, dApps, further expanding its functionality and utility within the broader crypto ecosystem. This integration allows for seamless interaction with other decentralized platforms and services, enhancing the overall user experience. The platform's focus on user experience extends to its interface. SimpleHold prides itself on a clean and intuitive design, making it easy to navigate the various features and functionalities. Whether you're sending crypto to a friend, checking your balance, or exploring the supported assets, the platform aims to provide a clear and straightforward experience. This focus on usability aims to lower the barrier to entry for those new to crypto. Ultimately, SimpleHold positions itself as a convenient and secure solution for managing your cryptocurrency holdings. By prioritizing user experience and security through its non-custodial approach, it seeks to cater to both beginners and experienced users alike. If you're looking for a straightforward way to manage your digital assets, SimpleHold might be worth considering. Be sure to check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.